Let me see. Oh. I guess they're filming something right there. So they gotta through the camera. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is a relatively quiet street. You still have all the trappings of Hanoi, and that's a pretty cool beret right there. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to get some sanctuary. So we're going to go into this place, which is car free, scooter free. And I'm going to talk a little bit about what it was like before, when my memories of Hanoi in the past. It's kind of cool. Hello. So years ago when I was here, 2002, I definitely remember a lot of people always sitting on every corner and like greeting you and saying hi and things like that. And usually they want you to get in their scooter. So I've been getting a lot of that actually. But now I'm away from that particular space. Let's just see. I'm gonna walk into this restaurant and just take a look at the other side. This one has craft beer, tiger beer. Let's take a look here. Let's see if we can walk all the way down. It looks like we can walk right on out of this restaurant too. Yep, we walked right out of it and into this one. This one's completely empty. It's called Lakeside Garden. So okay, there's the garden right there. Okay, I saw a lot of people walking over there earlier, and they're still there. So it looks like people walk around the whole lake. I'm just going to be exploring. But yeah, I definitely noticed a lot more foreigners too. So when I was here, they would definitely come to this area too, French Quarter, and I remember walking out of it and it was like there was none. But they're usually always concentrated in this area. It's still still the same. And so I'm going to walk right into the mess of things, and we're going to see if we can find some drivers that are asking me to go places. I don't think I will because this is a quiet place, but when I was over there, I saw quite a bit of that. But we're going to walk right into the crowdedness. It's kind of interesting too. There's a military guy here, a guy in uniform. I've been noticing a lot of those guys in these places. Please stop, I guess it says. So okay. So we're just gonna, that's kind of a cool shot right there. There's all those trees. Whole family on a bike. Let's see. Oh. I guess they're filming something right there. So they gotta through the camera. So I guess they're making a movie. That's kind of cool. Hanoi is a pretty cool city. Like actually, Anthony Bourdain, first time he came here, he didn't really care for it. Like, people are a little too much in his face, a little too aggressive, and then he fell in love with it later. And that probably sums up the experience. Let's just see here. Let's walk around in random a little bit. This car just started moving at me. This area smells really good. Smells great. Okay, so we're a little bit away from the tourist area and just kind of in a more other random area. And oh man, that food smells really good in this corner. Got their beer on the deck. Okay. A lot of shopping here. So, okay, I'm just gonna explore. I'm gonna turn off the camera and see what I see.
Toma cuidado la boquinha.